Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some albums to choose the wallpaper from. First of all, we can tap on the local photos right here and we will be transferred to our own gallery. What's more, here we've got some pre-installed ones and live wallpapers. Under it, all of those albums require the internet connection, so if you are connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, then you can enter it, for example, lifestyle. And from all of those options you will be able to choose the wallpaper and set it. But let me get back and let me pick something from the pre-installed ones, and as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from, and if you like the option, just tap on it, for example this one. As you can see here, we can see the preview of it, and if you are ready, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I think I will pick both. Just tap on the option you want to use. Now let's wait a second, let's go back to our home page, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our device. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.